I found this amazing airplane. It was only $100, 480 kwai in China. And I bought it and I thought during the holiday I would spend some time with my son and build it. And so that's what we did. We took an afternoon and put on the different stickers, and it came in a box. When I took everything apart, I found out that I was actually missing a couple parts. So had to re-communicate with the seller, and they actually sent it after 3 more days. So then after we got all the parts, we built it together. And it was kind of fiddly at first. The video was in Chinese, but I've made model airplanes before,
Okay,
so
grab a screw.
I was able to figure it out. And it was good quality time that we had together building it. So enjoy.
Let's just make sure it's on really tight here. So just put a little bit of glue on the edge there, a little bit. That's too much.
Okay. Sandwich. Sandwich.
So we're done the airplane, right? You think it'll fly?
Yeah.
So we can taxi it.
什么东西掉了？
什么掉了？
拿回去捡去。
上面的东西。
第一批试飞就成功了。
他之前就弄过。
哦，
哦，看着
速度好快啊！
我拍不到呀。哎，挺成功的啊！这个飞机，这是这班飞机的第一次试行。什么东西掉了？
上面的
上面的东西掉了。
啊，
不要飞太长时间，它掉了一个东西，老公。下来轻轻的，动不了。
给充电的钢铁是，给买充电，啊，
充电的，对。
是充电的吧？
啊，有电池在里面。哎呀，成功了，成功了！
So I was pretty impressed with this airplane. and it was a bit windy, but it flew quite well. So if you enjoy electronics, I'll see you in the next video.